How to add notes on Instagram posts and Reels. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Instagram app and sign into your account. Now simply you can tap on the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen and open someone's profile or profile feed, and from there you can choose post and reels and simply add notes, or else from this home section only you can locate the particular post and reel. Now tap the share icon at bottom right corner of this post or reel. Now select add a note button at bottom left corner, and here you can easily mention friends and add a new note. So simply type in anything. So let's type in again. You can even add emoji. And now tap on share button at bottom right corner of this section. And before that, you can easily choose your followers too. And that is how we can easily add notes on Instagram, post and profiles or reels. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.